Welcome back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. Today's video, we're going to be doing a review of the Gerber Vital Zip, the Gerber Vital Knife. These are disposable razor knives. So each of these knives comes with the knife, the zip, extra razors, and these are just your standard utility, retractable utility blade razors. But this comes with 5 replaceable razors in each package. Full disclosure, I'm not being paid by Gerber to make this video. I'm just really pleased with the product and wanted to share it with you as an option. These are Fiskar blades. That's the replaceable pack. Comes with 5 extra blades. And for replacing the blade in the gut hook, you simply take that screw out. The blade slides in and out through that notch, and then you have a new blade. They come in plastic cases, so in your hunt pack you can carry these without risk of getting cut. Very small, very light, very compact. So there's several different players now between Havalon, Outdoor Edge, Gerber. Gerber probably being the lower end of these knives, but again, they're replaceable blades. The quality, I think, is there. If you're going with the Havalon, the Piranta, or the Talon, they've got fishing options out there. This one is probably the highest end for Gerber. I don't think you can beat the Gerber Zip gut knife there. Replaceable blades have come down in price. There's even fixed folding blades with replaceable blades. That's the Havalon Talon there. Here's options for different types of blades. So here you can see there's an aftermarket case that you can get. You can carry a lot more blades in there. They slide out nice. And in just a second you'll see about the only weakness that the blade has is if you're side loading it up. It will break right along that little gap that's formed, so you don't want to put too much side pressure on that. It's more like using a scalpel than anything else. You can see right here it'll break right there at that weak point. Yeah, see right there. Some of you may be wondering about this clean out method. I've done another video, I'll put it in the upper right hand corner here, of tailgate cleaning a deer. You don't necessarily have to have a gambrel. It's just another way to clean the deer. What I wanted to show you here is when you're using this gut hook, because the cut comes from underneath, you don't get that hair all over the place. You're not shaving anything away, and your meat comes out much cleaner using the gut hook to make those large cuts through the fur. As many of you may also know, YouTube demonetizes videos like this that have to do with hunting, guns, or even butchering. So if you want to support the channel, please feel free to go ahead and click the Patreon link down below. Take a look. Even for just $1 a month, you can help support the channel. So here we've got somebody who's never used one of these before. So we'll go ahead, he's got his deer, he's working it. We'll go ahead and give him these to try out, and that way you get, I've been using them for years, so we'll get from him his opinion on how these work. What do you think so far?
Worked great. That's my buddy, man of many words. I'm gonna get a few out of him. What do you like about it?
Easy. It took less than 5 seconds to do both sides. Skin right off.
Stayed sharp.
Stayed sharp.
Didn't even have to change out a blade, but you could see if you had to change out a blade.
Yeah, it wouldn't have been hard. So it would have taken with the knife, I don't know, about 30 seconds or so to get the skin out. With that, just 5 seconds, done.
All right, so you've been using this for the first time, using these knives. What do you think?
I think they're very sharp, very good. I like them. I don't worry about hitting the bones as much because you don't dull your blade. If you dull your blade, you can just replace it out. So.
We also talked about steeling it. If it does get a curl on it, you can steel these razors and get a couple more deer out of it. I usually get about 4 or 5 deer per blade, and then I steel it.
So then you can use it several times. It says you get, what, 5 times out of a blade?
About 5 deer.
So YouTube says that this video is perfect for your viewing habits, and this playlist is my other videos regarding hunting, shooting, venison cooking. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.